The Raxium Raptor style grille light kit is an easy way for you to make the front of your 13 to 14 F-150 closely resemble the look of the Ford Raptor without having to change out your entire grille. This kit is pre-cut and fits without any additional modification needed, and the amber LED lights are actually color matched to the actual Raptor's light bar. I'm going to be giving this an easy 1 out of 3 wrenches on our difficulty meter. An install time should take you about 30 minutes to an hour, depending how comfortable you are with the minimal wiring involved. The 3 LED lights are mounted on this aluminum bar that will not only blend in for a clean look, but will also use the existing studs that are located behind the top of your grille for an easy install. Like I said, this is a plug-and-play design at just under $80, is an easy alternative compared to the entire Raptor-style replacement grille. A complete grille is going to come in right around $250, and options can go up way up from there. So this is the most affordable way for you to get a little bit of that style without the cost and the install time. Now, taking a look at the kit itself, these are amber LEDs that are color matched to your truck's current lights. They're protected in a clear housing that is sealed to be 100% waterproof, and then it is mounted onto this black aluminum powder-coated frame. The powder coating is so that it will never rust or corrode, and it will be perfect for your daily driver or off-road. Now, this entire kit is backed by a 5-year warranty from Raxium, just for added peace of mind. Now, getting these LEDs to work requires no guesswork or switches either. The kit functions with your daytime running lights to give your truck a more aggressive look during the day, while also providing better visibility for others at night. And as far as factory grille accent lighting goes, this is currently our only option, save for some universal LED strips. This light kit is meant as an addition to your original front grille. Most other options that add Raptor lighting require replacing the entire grille as well. So if you like your current grille setup and you would like to add some additional lighting, I believe this is what you're going to be looking for. Time for the install. Again, this is mainly a plug and play kit, and there's going to be no cutting or drilling required. I'm giving this an easy 1 out of 3 wrenches with an approximate time of 1 hour or less. Only tools that you'll be needing are a standard ratchet set and a screwdriver. Your first step, you're going to need to pop the hood and locate the 2 bolts on top of the grille. Remove them with your socket and then grab the light bar's bracket and secure the brackets to the grille using the 2 bolts you just removed. Now, the wiring is easy. Route the wiring behind the hood's insulation, and then we're going to come down to the passenger side fender near the headlight. You'll remove the headlight using your socket and screwdriver, and then you'll use the supplied instructions to splice the light bar's wiring to your current running light's wiring. You're going to use the provided wiring taps, and then once you're spliced in, you can check your new light bar's functionality by unlocking and locking your truck. Your running lights will blink, and as should the 3 LED lights on your kit. Once you're sure everything's working, reinstall your headlight and ensure your wiring is tucked away and zip tied. That's it. That's my review on Raxium's Raptor style grille light kit, which you can check out at AmericanTrucks.com.